Dang it!
I'm so sorry.
We're sorry, Davin. It didn't have to go this
I'm
way.
gonna save you in time. We need to win this war.
We shall win this war for him.
I need my oxygen tank.
So slow.
Oh no, watch out.
All because of those monsters. Well, let's go.
I'm gonna go refill oxygen tank.
Well, actually, yeah, I need that too. I don't have much breath left. Here, you're going the wrong way. Jesus.
We've been down in our home since, you know.
What the hell?
There it is. I'm gonna run out.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm full.
I am too. Well, we have snow, so I guess we might... We have snow, so I guess we might as well make the best of it. There's a skiing slope down here. Get our minds off Davin. Sadly. Jesus, why am I snap turning?
Oh, I can snap turn.
Okay. Stupid ice.
He should have loaded up on oxygen.
Yeah, good thing we have oxygen. Or else there's no way we would survive this. Hey, be careful, there could still be part of the government because we're not supposed to be here. No, but we're not even supposed to be alive.
Okay, let's make the best of it.
Yeah,
Go.
I guess. It's kind of hard to do that when you just lost your friend. Hey, Jack.
What?
Look at this. Look how good these snowballs are. Perfect. Ski slope.
Let's go.
Oh, down we go. See you on the other end, bud. Oh my god, how are you going so fast? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Down I go, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh, I see you, I see you, I see you. Oh my god. Perfect. I'm losing our oxygen fast.
We need to go. We need to go.
I know. Government's chasing us. Go. Hold up. I'm lagging. The government's chasing us. There's no way they... We can't be here any longer. We gotta get back to our spot. What the... I'm lagging! You coming? Okay, perfect. Come on.
We need to go back to our home.
Go! They're right on us! I can hear the guns clicking.
Get on, get on.
I don't feel too good. Jack. Jack.
We need to wait out the winter.
Jack. I think we should just hibernate. I mean, we're
Yes.
animals. There's no reason why we
need to.
can't.
We need to. Right
Here.
now.
You don't have as thick of a coat as me, okay? So you stay next to me, because I have I don't know, sleep in my tails or something. I got 9 of them.